Welcome to your ideal journey. Give up constraints and accept independence. A new age of enjoyable road trips will begin in 2026 when our perspective of recreational vehicles changes. Presenting the 2026 Mazda Motorhome. Unlike the little convertibles we are used to, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is a statement of design and functionality. Its bigger van foundation than the previous Bongo allows it to have greater interior space while maintaining Mazda's well-known agility. Its elegantly integrated Mazda grille, clever adaptive LED headlights, and smooth flowing lines provide the exterior design a subtle yet striking Kodo soul of motion style that successfully conveys elegance everywhere. Under the hood, Mazda has demonstrated initiative by providing two distinct powertrain options. First of all, its powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 gasoline engine, which offers the best performance and efficiency balance, makes it appropriate for a variety of terrains. For those who need optimal efficiency and a minimal carbon impact, the more advanced plug-in hybrid PHEV model is also a possibility. It combines an effective gasoline engine, a powerful electric motor, and a large capacity battery to offer an incredible range for long journeys and pure electric cruising for eco-friendly outings. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome welcomes you with a blend of design and technology. The excellent ergonomic design of the dashboard makes it simple for the driver to reach all of the amenities. A state-of-the-art entertainment system with wireless smartphone access, real-time navigation, and simple control over all RV amenities is housed in the command center, which has a panoramic arching display. Behind it is an easily adjustable cluster of electronic instruments that provide important travel information in modern, easily understandable images. The opulent and serene cabin atmosphere, enhanced by natural wood accents, soft-touch fabrics, and adjustable ambient lighting, makes every mile of travel more enjoyable. The inside of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome offers the maximum versatility in terms of living space. The modular layout allows you to easily transition between a small dining space for eating and a big living room for relaxing and socializing. Large panoramic windows that let in an abundance of natural light and offer stunning views of any area you choose surround this space. When not in use, a built-in folding dining table maximizes available space, and premium leather seats can be twisted and adjusted. This isn't just a car, it's a mobile living space that promotes comfort and community. Ultimately, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome turns into a tranquil haven. The sleeping space is designed to provide the most comfortable sleep possible after a full day of action. To ensure a restful night's sleep, a high-quality orthopedic mattress is placed on a queen or king-size bed, depending on the design. The large blackout curtains and the soothing ambient lighting offer the perfect atmosphere for relaxing. An integrated closet and underbed storage drawers help keep the inside neat and organized, and there is plenty space for all of your personal possessions. When you wake up, you'll feel rejuvenated and ready to tackle new challenges. Even in the middle of a wilderness, comfort doesn't have to be sacrificed. The bathroom of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is the pinnacle of design and practicality. Every component, such as a high-pressure shower, a ceramic toilet that uses less water, and a modern sink, is designed to be as pleasant as possible. High-end composite worktops and a large mirror are examples of luxurious amenities. A state-of-the-art ventilation system that ensures enough air circulation and hidden storage keep toiletries neat and accessible. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome's kitchen is a gourmet's dream come true. Both style and functionality were considered in the design of this fully functional kitchen. Include a large stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet, a convection oven microwave, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a high-capacity refrigerator/freezer. Meal preparation is made easier with enough countertop space, and all of your kitchen essentials are kept safe and secure while you're traveling thanks to elegant cabinets with soft closing mechanisms and storage drawers. With this kitchen, you can cook your favorite dishes wherever you go.